Okay, so width of a rectangle is 33 centimeters. The perimeter is at least meaning that number or bigger, 776 centimeters. Write and solve an inequality to find the possible lengths of the rectangle. Okay, so what we have is, remember, you do twice the width plus twice the length to find the perimeter. Okay, so if we say twice the width, they gave us a width of 33, so twice the width would be 66. We already know that that's what the width is, and you're going to do it twice because perimeter says you go the width, then you go the length, then you go the width the second time, and then you go the length the second time because you're going all the way around. Got it? So we say we've got a width going in both directions of 66 plus twice whatever the length is, 2 times L, and that 66 plus twice whatever the length is has to be at least 776, meaning it's got to be equal to that or greater. That is the inequality that we're solving. Okay? Let's solve it then. Okay, and let's just go over it one more time really quickly. This is the width in both directions, the width going this way and then the width going back that way when you're going all the way around. And this is the length going down and up like that. Okay, so all of that added together has to be greater than or equal to 776 because it says the perimeter is at least that. Let's solve it. Take what's already there and subtract away the 66. Take what's already there, subtract away the 66, and you get 2L is greater than or equal to 710. Now we got to divide by 2. And we find that the length is going to be greater than or equal to 355 centimeters in order for us to get a perimeter of at least 776. Okay, just want to check my answer to make sure I'm not leading you astray. Yep, looks good. Okay.